Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to wrap text in Excel. See here, this is the Excel sheet I have opened. When you type in one cell, you can even type a lengthy line. See here, I show the demo. Here, I just type in this cell. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. So all text are covered in the one cell, and it's displayed over the other cell. Okay, actually all texts uh, are typed in this one cell here only. Okay, in this cell only all texts are typed, but when it's showing it will be spread to other cells c d up to e. Okay, so if you want to wrap the text, yes, you can do it. You can display all text in the one cell itself. That is the that is this b3 cell. Okay, for that what you have to do is just you can use wrap text option here. Okay, select the cell first and then select a wrap text and see here. Now it is in one cell. Okay, so in this way you can easily use wrap text in Excel sheet. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.